Hello guys, today I am going to explain what is Database Management System. It is also called as DBMS. So first, let's learn what is data. Data is a set of information. It could be a shopping list that contains all the items you need to buy in the shopping store, or it could be data in the telephone directory which contains all the information about people in that area and their phone numbers. So data basically is a set of information that could be related to you or any large company. Large companies have very large amount of data of their clients and users. For example, Facebook and Amazon have millions of users and lots of their clients. They need to keep all the users and clients login details and their relevant information. And also they have to keep all the other company related data. And this large amount of data is hard to organize, manage and store on paper. So companies use computer and software systems to manage and retrieve this database. Database. Databases are large set of company related information, or you can say large set of data which are organized. So databases is a storage point in a company where all the company related data is stored and can be retrieved from there using database management system. We also use DB as a short form for database. Large companies need a software and computer systems to organize, manage and store these large databases. And these software which we use to manage large databases are called as Database Management System or DBMS. There are some software in the market like DBase, MySQL, Oracle Database, SQL, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server, etc. Now we know that DBMS or Database Management System is a software that a company uses to create, retrieve and update all its company related data or information. So there are number of features that a DBMS provide. First thing is they provide a systematic way to create, retrieve, update and delete data. And the short form of create is C, retrieve R, update U and delete D. So we use CRUD for create, retrieve, update and delete of data. The second feature that a DBMS provide is database schema. Database schema is used to design database structures like tables, columns, rows. And the next feature is user permission settings. Means whatever user is trying to retrieve the data or read the data, they need a permission to allow them that they can access the data. We can set a permission for a user like they cannot retrieve or access the data. Like there are two departments. One is sales department and the another is production department. So we can set user permissions for all the sales employees that they can access the sales related data. But production employees cannot access the sales related data. There we can deny all the production employees to access the sales related data. DBMS also provides security and storage for data and also backup and recovery. Backup of data is very important as sometimes data is stolen or lost. In that case, we can recover data from this backup point. Structured Query Language or SQL, we also call it as SQL. SQL is a computer language that we use to interact between computer devices, users and database systems. This is our database. Here all the data are stored. You can say it as a storage point. And this is DBMS. You can say this is a software that is used to interact with this database. Suppose this is the company website. If a user log in on this website, he needs their login information. So for that, this website will ask DBMS to retrieve the data from database. This process uses SQL, or you can say structured query language. They don't ask in language English like we human talks. They talk in computer language, and the language is called as SQL or SQL here. So SQL is a standard language for storing, updating and retrieving data in databases, and this SQL or SQL is used in all the database management softwares like MySQL, SQL Server, MS Access. MS Access is Microsoft Access database management system, Oracle, Sybase, Informix and other database systems. I hope you understand so far. In the next video, we will learn in detail how to create tables, queries, schema in SQL. So stay tuned and keep watching. Bye bye.